Okay, so we have an advanced copy of Delegate Dash. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So the front and the back. Pretty exciting. So first off, we have our rules. The rules will also be posted online if you go to our website, delegatedash.com. We'll have that up shortly about how to play the game. But the rules are included. And then we have our board. And here's our board. Let's check out what's in the box. In the box we have 40 red, yellow, blue, and green dice included. And then we have 162 cards. 162 cards. A lot of cards. More cards. And even more cards, which include our blue winner cards. The winner spot. We also have our 24 advanced play cards for the advanced game, plus green veto cards. And then in addition to that, we have quick reference guides, regional reference guides, which can be used throughout the game, as well as quick start guides for both the basic and advanced game. And that. We also have 2 dry erase markers with eraser tips. And we have our Delegate Dash round token. And these are all the components necessary to play the basic and advanced versions of Delegate Dash. We also have some pretty cool add-ons that I can share. Anyone who would purchase in the first 72 hours will get this really cool Uncle Sam silver coin add-on game marker. You can use this instead of the normal round marker. And for anyone that got a super candidate level or above, this really cool gold presidential seal round marker, which again can be used instead as the round marker for the game. These are all the components. Just FYI, anyone who has purchased the coin add-ons, these do fit into the box conveniently. As well as the expansion packs, all the expansion packs which are not featured here in this video, will all fit into the box as well. So everything, all components plus all add-ons, will be neatly organized in the Delegate Dash box. And this is everything. Thanks again.